After understanding that there is a requirement by the Indian Air Force for a combat-ready helicopter, and that too a light one, which can perform efficiently even in harsh terrain, the plan to build at home the all-new light combat helicopter was put forward. The light combat helicopter, or the LCH, is designed and developed by the Indian aerospace industry, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. It is a multi-role combat helicopter, able to perform various offensive attacks and designed in a way that can fulfill Indian Air Force requirements. To understand the need for the development of the light combat helicopter, the Kargil War is the answer. In 1999, when the war between Pakistan and India started, the Indian Air Force deployed its best assets in the war. With the starting of Operation Safed Sagar, the Indian Air Force launched an offensive airstrike at the height of 15,000 to 18,000 feet at the enemy targets, using precision missiles by Mi-17 helicopters. During and even after the war, it was realized by the Indian Armed Forces that there were a few shortcomings and some areas that need closer attention. To rectify this, both HAL and Indian forces decided to establish a dedicated program to build an Indian-specific lightweight attack helicopter, keeping in mind the future requirements of the Indian Air Force and to replace the older fleet of Cheetah and Chetak. The LCH program was given much attention, which was going to be designed and built at home only. With the dedicated team efforts of various subunits of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, a concrete step was taken in the development of the LCH. It is to be known that for the development of this attack helicopter, indigenously built advanced light helicopter, that is Dhruv, which is currently being used by the Indian Armed Forces, was referred to as a base, which helped not only in speeding up the design process but also significantly reduced the cost of the program by approximately 376 crores. After the completion of the primary design, a limited series production was started for the testing and trial. On March 2010, the light combat helicopter took its first flight, as weather plays an important role for testing any weaponry, be it any missile, fighter jets or helicopters, and since different terrain showcase different challenges, a series of tests were conducted in the heat of Jodhpur, where the temperature touches around 39 to 45 degrees Celsius, to the mountain of the Himalayas at the height of 13,000 to 15,800 feet as well. Worth mentioning here is that the LCH became the first attack helicopter to land at strategic location like Siachen, which not only boosted the confidence but also the reliability for operating LCH in various terrain. After completing all the tests and parameters for the LCH, in February 2020, it was declared ready for the production. For the same, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi handed over the LCH to the Indian Air Force, giving a boost to the Indian initiative of Atmanirbhar Bharat. The Cabinet Committee on Security, the CCS, led by the Prime Minister, cleared the acquisition of 15 indigenously built light combat helicopters at the cost of Rs 3,887 crores, saving a huge chunk of money which will increase the availability of financial resources for advanced research and development. Out of 15 helicopters, some of them will be given to the Army Aviation Corps and other helicopters will be delivered to the Indian Air Force. Since this attack helicopter is more than 50% indigenously designed and developed in India, this gives an upper hand to fully understand the helicopter and stretch the helicopter to its limit. The cockpit is made of glass material, which benefits the pilot and co-pilot by providing a better viewing area. The primary role of the LCH is the anti-infantry and anti-armored missions. Along with these, it can effectively hit slow-moving targets like manned or unmanned aerial vehicles, can play a very crucial role in destroying the enemy air defense systems and counter-insurgency operations. It is powered by two Shakti engines, which help the aircraft to touch the speed of 268 km per hour and can conduct operations during the day as well as night without any difficulties. For its protection, it has armored and stealth profiling, comes with an electronic warfare suit, which has been provided by the SAP group. since its basic role is to hit the target area precisely, for which its arm can carry and fire 20 gun, air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles as well. Developing and designing such a robust system will help in securing India's military interest, as the forces required 160 twin-engine light combat helicopters, which will fulfill all the operational requirements of both the Indian Army and the Indian Air Force. Like the success of the LCA Tejas, which gained the worldwide attention, India is also hoping the same for its light combat helicopter.